Hey, hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we learn about CRTP and CRTE, how to learn this thing with zero investment and through using GitHub and some like Google Chrome, we can got this knowledge. So go for the Google Chrome for our CRTP journey. So here you can type with CRTP GitHub and CRTP cheat sheet, and you can see here the CRTP cheat sheet. Here is the topic of CRTP, like domain enumeration, local privilege escalation, lateral movement, domain persistence, domain privilege escalation, and so on. So these are the topic, like in general. If you go for the general, access C disk for a computer using ls command followed by computer name and C dollar. Use this parameter not print error PowerShell. So you can search for the error actions. Silently continue. Rename PowerShell Windows using this command $crop host UI raw UI Windows title and then impact p6 impact. If no lm hash an empty one using this Python script, you can pass with Python p6.py following by hashes like lm hash, anti hash, and the following domain and username plus target. So I hope this thing clear. Going for the domain enumeration part, domain enumeration is the first topic of CRTP certifications. So how you can use this module. So once you using Power View domain, import this model using dot slash Power View PS1. Then you can find the get current domain using getnet domain, get object of another domain followed by getnet domain hyphen domain by domain name. If I'm saying mcrom or dollar crop or something like DC domain control, so here you can mention the domain name. Get domain SID from the current domain using get domain SID. These are the domain enumeration part. So hope once you import this Power View module, then you can search for this command using get domain password policy. If you check the good domain password policy using get domain policy, system access using by net account you can find the user for a domain control. Power View user groups and computers, get information of the domain control using getnet domain controller. Getnet domain control by select object name. Here you can see all stuff. So get information of user in the domain, getnet user by username. Get list of all user, getnet user, select SAM account name, get list of username last login, password last set. Here you can pass getnet user, select SAM account name last login and password last set. Once how you can check, go to copy, and if I am going for PowerShell, if I am searching here, so here you can see these are the three things like Windows PowerShell, Windows PowerShell ISE, and Windows PowerShell x86. So always try to run on as an administrator. Once you like it, open with the administrator, what we can do now, we just go for this thing uh, and using for the command line, all stuff here you can find here. Okay, so if I bypass something, here you can use this thing. So here I can there is no AD module. This is my Windows machine. I just see try to like say how you can use this thing. So if I'm enter, I can gotten bypass this module. So if I am searching get net user, then here you can see nothing will come, but uh, these are the error. But once you can bypass this using MSA bypass key, then you can import this module like dot slash powerview dot uh, powerview powerview dot ps1 ps1. You can use this way. Okay, so MS bypass using this thing. And okay, going forward, if I am going scroll down, all stuff we get a getnet GPU, all stuff you can find here. Okay, these are the enumeration part. So hope how to import and what are the commands using for Word. You should know this thing. Like if I am trying for know this get list of all user, I get net user and select some account name. So these are the some way. So you can check like Power GPU. Okay, not GPU. These are the enumeration part. So hope you can check with this particular link GitHub CRTP cheat sheet, OXJS CRTP cheat sheet. So using Power SCL, like get the SCL associated with the specified object. If I'm to go there, you can use this. Right click, copy, and when you go for the parcel, just import that module and you can search this thing. Once you've done this thing, go to Power domain trust using get node domain trust, get net forest domain, get net global catalog for the current forest. So get net forest catalog. Here you can check the many level of going for step-by-step process using this cheat sheet. So MISC Powerview find all machines on the current domain where the current user has a local admin access. So import this module, find local domain access purpose. If I am using this using Yundas PowerShell, I hope okay. So I run this thing. So if I am going for the enter, I don't get anything here because there is no active directory in my system now. But once you have a system, you can using this thing by step. So bar we find local event. What are the things you can search here, following by the command. Once you've done this thing, using for the Bloodhound is an integrational tool. So CD ingester, how like these are the step. Open CMD, CD go for this bin path. Start for the new wet install services. Once you will be installed, then start the services. Browse to Bloodhound window started to export board. Then you can run this thing. And once you can run this thing, you go for PowerShell reverse shell, like using this XXX is your command IP address, and here you can mention your IP address, and you can here you can go the PowerShell reverse shell. Once you're done with the domain enumeration using step by step of all stuff what already discussed, then we're going for the local privilege escalation. Just import this module of PSEC PH1 as compared to the power of PS.1 when early we can import. There you can go for the privsec.ps1 and using by invoke privsec, vroot.exe, power of invoke all checks, with unquoted path space in the name, using the service local permission with power of, or you can use this command for step-by-step process. Once you're done with domain enumeration, once you're done with our local privilege escalation going for the lateral movement. So here you can using these PS remoting sessions, you can go for the find the connection nodes into the administrator pips. So using enter P session computer name by new sessions, computer name and enter P session. So using this command line step-by-step process, it is the MSI bypass tool. You can use this all stuff for your MSI bypass. So disable AV monitoring. All stuff you can find using Mimikatz. Mimikatz dump credential for local machine. You should be aware about this thing in Mimikatz dump crates. Multiple remote machine you can find here. Mimikatz tower to PowerShell as passed the hash local admin. So here you can check all stuff. Mimikatz for the previous collaborator ls dump sam using this command line. Okay, so once you've done this Mimikatz, we go for the domain persistence. It is another topic of red team. So golden ticket, silver ticket, and all stuff you can find here. So golden ticket is you can seek in book Mimikatz ls dump. Silver ticket, okay. Here you can step by step the command you can go for these things. Skeleton key for the invoke Mimikatz, future debug misc skeleton computer name followed by target. DSR7 is very interesting one. Directory service register model. Once the if any in your ready, if you deleted something in your ready, there you can restore mode is there within. The privilege would be like protected with password. So the admin only can do this function. So here you can check this all stuff. Stack login SMN admin ST holder. You can check this thing command line. Step by step process will become decisioning. Okay. The security descriptor, partial remoting, and remote registry. Domain privilege escalation using Kerberos, all stuff. Here you can find all stuff as RFS roasting. Using this power of dev PS1 model, get net domain user pre-auth not required purpose. You can check this thing, STN, okay. Unconstrained delegations using power dev fusion and constrained delegation using this thing. Step by step will be found in this link. So certificate sheet and DNS admin, enterprises admin. Here we can check all stuff. Once you done the use SQL, import the power of SQL PH1, then you can go for the following command lines. So I think it is done for CRTP. You go for the CRT GitHub and same thing. Here you can once you open, you will find the topic will be domain enumeration, domain persistence, domain privilege escalation, lateral movement, local privilege escalation, PowerShell evasion, and readme. It is the advanced one. Once you're done with your CRTP certification, you learn the basic terminology is required for red teaming approach. You know, go for the CRTE examination using this CRT cheat sheet. So local privilege escalation, domain enumeration, lateral movement, PowerShell, domain privilege escalation, domain persistency, all stuff you can find the same thing. Only advanced thing you will be find here also for the CRT. So I hope this thing will be very much interesting and very much awareness will be find here. So these are the very small thing will be provided for the CRT examinations, but you can learn with a very easy and freely. You can find the all stuff for the CRTP and the CRT cheat sheet. If you found much thing, go for the CRTV GitHub and you can search all stuff like my CRTV is notes by someone. So once I open this thing, here you can check that they are using some command of content, command methodology, Mimikatz, all stuff. Okay, it is very much interesting one, and much such a more thing will be found for this thing. Here you can see, here you can check get forest catalog. European.local, they are mentioned also local machine. So I think this also we very much need for you for this CRTP notes. So hope you go for this CRTP notes also, and using import that module following by command line where you can go for much things like privilege escalations where you can check all stuff we will already discuss about this thing. Using here you can see lateral movement, partial remoting. So this thing also be like very interesting, I think. So some extra thing or some extra knowledge will be found here. Say okay, some using mimikatz, some updating by safety cats. Okay, these are the updated one, I think. Okay. So going forward, this is very interesting. So go for this thing and go for the local privilege escalation using bloodhound, lateral movement, using p-session, the relations, safety catch, all stuff will be found here. So I think this is a very interesting one. Okay, so I hope learned this. See the DSRM. Here you can password protected file by directory services register mode. So hope this thing will be very much interesting. And Telum Carlos we just CRUD SSP. Okay. These are some author like account operator to page admin, wake-up operator to menu control. The basic thing will be much more thing will be found here. So I think these are also very much helpful to you. So learn this GitHub free GitHub repository for your CRTP journey. Okay, and if we go for much thing like CRTP GitHub, you can see with someone checklist by CRTP GitHub topics. Much more things will be found here. Okay. It is an Excel file, I think. Okay, 330 MB. Okay, we just download this file. It is an Excel file. So once you're done, you just open that CRTP Excel checklist for we just block this thing. Open with GitHub. Okay, here you can see. Okay, see, these are the lateral movement with partial remoting. The basic terminology partial remoting, partial basics. Okay, these are the step-by-step process like introduction to Active Directory and Kerberos, introduction to PowerShell, domain enumeration using attack and defense, trust privilege mapping, local privilege escalation, credential reply attack, over the pass the hash, token reply etc, domain privilege escalation, attack and defense, dumping system and domain secret, Kerberos attack with defense, golden ticket, silver ticket and more. Abusing cross forest trust attack and defense, delegation issues, persistence technique, abusing SQL server to trust in AD environment, detecting attack techniques, defending AD environment and bypassing defense. Partial base, you can see all the command you can find here. So I think it is very much interesting one. Just check and for the domain enumeration part, here you can check get forest catalog, get all global catalog for the current domain. All stuff you will find here. So thanks. Going for the local privilege escalation using step-by-step process. Okay, land hound. How to run the shortcut way to check the shortest path, all stuff. Lateral movement using this thing. MySQL server using this thing. Here you can see all stuff. This is the curve roast one. Okay, curve roast one. Okay, the DNS admin, domain persistence. Okay, guys, enterprises admin. All stuff you'll find for this 30 MB Excel file. So hope you can download and learn for your CRTP journey. And once we done this thing, we can check for something and much more thing if we found, like using this C. Here you can see some command wrote by some developer. So okay, much more things will be found here. So just hope you can check out all stuff. Thank you very much, guys, for your valuable time. If you learn CRTP and CRT, this thing you can visit. Thank you very much.